My question is, how is lightning and thunder made?
Hi Wendy, thank you so much for your questions. It's Sarah here with the Montana Science Center, and I'm going to be explaining to you how thunder and lightning work. So stay tuned. So I went ahead and I drew a cloud right here. I labeled it a thunder cloud. And what we know about thunder clouds is that inside of them, these little circles that I drew are going to represent frozen water particles or ice. And those ice particles bounce off each other and they touch each other, and it's kind of chaotic. And that creates different electronic charges. So the positive charge goes to the top part of the cloud, and the negative charge goes to the bottom part of the cloud. So how does this make thunder and lightning though? So the negative charge at the bottom of the cloud really likes the positive charge of mountains or trees or even other clouds. So these negatives really want to be close and touch these positives. And when that happens, the leader stroke, or what we see as the bolt of lightning, occurs. This can happen in between clouds, so it can happen from one cloud to another cloud, or it could happen on the ground, on a tree, on a mountain. This is why it's so important when we start to hear thunder and see lightning that we take cover in a car if we're hiking, or in our homes if we're by our homes, so that we're not exposed to the lightning itself. All right, Wendy, now to answer your second question, what causes thunder? This is important to remember that you cannot have thunder without lightning. So thunder is caused after this leader stroke or the lightning bolt strikes. There's an opening in the cloud, and the sound that we hear of thunder is when that opening drastically closes. We hear the sound of thunder. Sometimes that opening is also referred to as a channel, so I labeled it as a channel in my diagram as well. I'll go ahead and give you the full view of the diagram. Well, Wendy, I hope that answers your question on how thunder and lightning are formed. For anyone that has any other how come questions, please submit them in a video form to us. We would love to help answer your science questions. You can do that by sending us a video to our Facebook, our Instagram, our email. If you have a question and you don't have access to video it, you can also just call us and let us know it as well. We want to be here to help you in this time. So until next time, bye.